vision is one of the most treasured senses. In recent times, working with computers and watching television for a long duration has reported increase in eye-related disorders, both in adults and children. Physicians advise simple eye exercises like top to bottom, left to right, and diagonal movement of the eyeballs regularly to avoid such problems. It also strengthens the eye muscles, prevents the eye strain, and improves the eyesight. Implementation. Eye Catcher is a LabVIEW based application that can help the people get familiar with the eye exercises using the same computers on which they work. An animated object is made to move in linear and rotational directions on the computer screen. Hardware implementation. An infrared camera is used to monitor the eye movements while the user follows the animated object. Normal cameras need adequate illumination for the accurate recording, which can be a problem at workstations. This camera allows the IR light, which is light independent. Process is that this is IR web camera being used. The lens, which has a visible light filter, is being removed to allow the IR rays to pass through the lens. 3 IR LEDs is being soldered to the chip of the camera. Finally, the camera is mounted on the top of the safety glasses, which can be conveniently worn by the user. The glass is being removed to avoid the reflections in the pupil. When the person starts to follow the pattern, the eye movements are recorded using this camera. As we see, this is a lens where the filter is being removed, and 3 IR LEDs are soldered to provide the illumination. This can be easily worn by the user. These are the IR images taken using this camera. As we can see, the pupil is dark when compared to other regions, so that it can be customized for all the users, and is also useful for good eye tracking. Software implementation. We make use of Vision Acquisition and Vision Assistant Express VIs for eye tracking. The script file includes these steps, which is useful for eye tracking and also to find the center of the pupil. This is a LabVIEW program which is also involved in the process of plotting the gaze plot, part of the result. Here, as we see, the eyes, which is continuously monitored by the IR camera, is processed by the LabVIEW software to track the eye and to find the center of the pupil. The eye is being tracked without any delay, and the center of the pupil is being computed continuously while the eye follows the animated object. These are the gaze plots of the animated object and the eye, which has been plotted separately. The comparison of the two plots gives a partial result of how the user follows the eye exercises being shown to the users.